Okay. Well, I'm ready to take a chance on your experience.
Sure. First time justice, you get your expected work. Sure. So we have a payment available like PayPal. Are you available?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
PayPal. I'm fine. I'm fine with PayPal.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. So when we start your work,
Um, as soon as you like. I mean, you can start tomorrow or you can start next week, whichever one you want.
if you want, then we'll start your work from today.
Okay.
তাহলে ক্লায়েন্ট কোন কান্ট্রির?
ইউএসএ।
আচ্ছা, কি কাজের উপর?
এটা বুক প্রমোশন।
বিস্তারিত ওনার সাথে ইনবক্সে কথা হয়েছে?
জি জি, লিঙ্কডইনে কথা হয়েছে এই মাত্রই।
লিঙ্কডইনে?
জি।
Okay. Yes, can you hear me, sir?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can't see you, but I can hear you.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us in this meeting. So at first I'd like to introduce about yourself. My name is Ashik and I joined from Encodate Institute. It's our digital marketing agency. And Rahan is my teammate and we working together. That's why I will join in this meeting. And I know Rahan, he talked with you first, right? About your book promotion work.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, thank you so much. How many book you have, sir?
Well, I'm just trying to promote the one book right now.
Okay, no problem. We'll help you and we'll promote your book on your targeted audience. And just you said us where you targeted location.
My location is Las Vegas, Nevada, USA.
Just for USA?
I'm sorry?
Just only USA.
Yeah, USA.
And we have a huge previous client experience. Just Ryan, he sent you on your inbox our previous client experience. Okay, sir.
Okay.
স্যার, I can promote your book because of I have experience in that field. I am highly experienced, so don't be worried.
Okay. Well, I'm ready to take a chance on your experience.
Sure. Just your first time trust us, you get your expected work. Sure.
Okay.
So we have a payment available like PayPal. Are you available? PayPal.
Say that again.
PayPal. We have available.
PayPal. Yeah, I do.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
PayPal. I'm fine. I'm fine with PayPal.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So when we start your work,
As soon as you like. I mean, you can start tomorrow or you can start next week, whichever one you want.
if you want, then we'll start your work from today.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, it's whatever
Okay.
this, whichever 7 days you choose. I would just want to see the results.
Yes, just you look the results. So our requirement needed like your book link and your targeted location. Also, some book cover. It must be needed for doing your work.
Okay. I will send the link.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. So we will send you a PayPal info.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Send me, whatever you normally do to PayPal, and then I will go ahead and pay it.
Yeah, sure. I just after complete this meeting, and I will give you PayPal info.
Okay. That's fine.
Will you have any question about your work,
Oh,
about our work?
no. We had talked back and forth before this meeting, so
Yes. Okay, sure, sir. Just you trust us first time, and you look the result. We will join again meeting with you.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for givable time.
All right. Thank you very much. You have a
Thank you
good
so
night.
much. Good night.
Bye
Thank you
bye.
so much. Bye bye.